Simple Safeguard. It's one of my favorite tools that we can use in financing, and probably one of the most confusing ones because they probably never taught us growing up about compounding mortgage interest, simple interest. But this is the way arithmetic works and the actual mortgages we apply for. And today I wanted to highlight the power of simple interest in our Simple Safeguard mortgages. And well, one of the things I'd like to highlight is what happens when I take on a mortgage in a traditional 30-year fixed rate environment, and then I take one with, well, also a fixed rate environment, but a Simple Safeguard feature for the first 10 years. And I'd love to show it to you just by asking some fun questions. And I'd love to share an example for easy math. Luxury real estate is probably one of the hardest for you and I to qualify to buy and has some of the highest payments living in it. But what if I gave you an example? Let's say we're buying a property, 20% down, $2.5 million. Let's go get a real big luxury house. Let's say that we're going to borrow $2 million to buy this luxury home. Which one would you want? Would you prefer to have a Simple Safeguard interest rate fixed for 30 years at 3.75 in this example, or would you prefer a traditional 30-year fixed rate mortgage, let's say at 2.75? Something tells me you probably quickly grabbed that 2.75 number, and that just kind of highlights why this video is so valuable. I don't think they ever taught us the math. I think most of us would have grabbed that 2.75, but when we did, what if I told you that the person that had the 3.75 with the Simple Safeguard feature actually paid $1,900 less per month, almost $2,000 less out of pocket? And that's because of the way the math works. Compounding interest takes all the cost of yesterday's and they add them to create your payment, and they stay rigid in the schedule for the life of the loan. But simple interest is so much better. Simple interest invites you and I, as the consumer that has a Simple Safeguard, to buy down the mortgage balance. When we buy down the mortgage balance, all of the future payments are recasted. And they're always recasting every 30 days so that you're always delivering to yourself the lowest monthly payment for the life of the loan. I wanted you to know about the opportunities you probably never heard of. And I think that's one of the biggest gifts that you can capture with working with a Blue Diamond mortgage brokerage like ourselves. It's the ability to learn what most of us have never been taught,